राजेश खन्ना, come on guys, give me a break. आप मेरा हाथ पकड़ोगे ना? तो he said हाँ बिल्कुल. So I said हमेशा के लिए. Why do you do this to me, Akshay? He's naughty to the hilt, and he just finds me to do these things, on.
Can you tell us how you fell in love with the legendary late Shri Rajesh Khanna? And how did you meet him? Can you narrate some fun snippets? I'm sure everyone wants to know that.
God, why is the press here?
I'm again telling you, you don't need to worry about press.
If anything goes out, I'm going to kill you guys, and I mean it. Okay.
Press, you're our friends, right?
Okay. So this was after I signed Bobby. We were going to Ahmedabad on a private flight. There was some function there which we had to attend, and I, being Gujarat की लड़की, I was also invited. तो हम लोग फ्लाइट में बैठे थे, and I think I was born a dramchi, From बचपन से ड्रामा का बहुत शौक ज़्यादा. So he sat next to me, and I was sitting next to him and looking at him and all. I mean, Rajesh Khanna, come on, guys, give me a break. I mean, So I very chalakly I told him. I said, वहाँ तो बहुत crowd होगा, भीड़ होगी. आप मेरा हाथ पकड़ोगे ना? तो he said, हाँ बिल्कुल. So I said, हमेशा के लिए.
So you were filmy from the starting.
Very filmy. That's why I got into this line. I was totally filmy. And yeah, the rest is history. It happened.
Who's more like a mom, like you or Twinkle,
Of
or your
course,
other
Twinkle,
daughter?
it's evident. She's a big bully. It is her all the way, yeah. Because she was an amazing child. She must have been all of, I think, 7 or 8 when I got separated. And the kind of itni maturity, or she was like only wanting to take care of me, to see if I'm okay, if everything is all right with me. And there are lots of things I can't say because of what, but but she was like my friend. She was a friend to me. And then she turned into a monster mother. So that's how she is today.
You share a great relationship with your son-in-law, Akshay. Can you tell us something about him or some funny moments spent together?
He's an amazing man. Earlier on, I had my reservations about my daughter getting married to him. So, thank God she did. He's naughty to the hilt, and he just finds me to do these things, on. So once he tells me, he says, Ma, I have to go. Oh God, press again. That's okay.
No one is listening. You can say.
So he says to me, Ma, I have to go to Delhi to meet Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, and I don't want to go alone, so please come with me, Ma, and all that. So Ma was very chuffed. Ma can't speak 2 words. Ma ko leke ja raha hai. Acha beta, acha, okay. Now he's asked me to come, I can't say no. So then, so I said, what time are we going? So he says, Ma, don't worry, I've got a private plane going and all that. So I said, अच्छा ठीक है, मगर अगर आपका plane 10 बजे निकलेगा तो दिल्ली कितने बजे पहुंचेगा? 12 बजे. तो Mrs. Gandhi is going to be awake for you till 12 o'clock. Saying, no, Ma, there's a function there and all that. Barhal, he comes to pick me up. And so I've got my shoes in my hand and my nice sari draped and all, very ready to go. जूते पहन लेंगे, plane में रख देंगे. He says, oh, I've forgotten my wallet. Okay, he's forgotten his wallet. So his home is like 5 minutes away from my house. So we go there. And he says, Ma, since you've come, why don't you meet the kids also? I'll just come. So I've come in, and there's like this huge party there for me. It was my 50th. And he pulls this off with me every time he does this. And he just loves to do this. अब जैसे लिफ्ट में जाना है, अभी 5वें माले पे जाना है ना, 4 माले पे खुल गया ना, मुझे तो कुछ होश ही नहीं है, तो खुदा का बंदा जिधर चल रहा है सोचती भी नहीं. तो 4 पे खुल गया तो he'll do, Ma, I'll start going out and oh, this is the 4th floor. But why do you do this to me, Akshay?